Did you ever think the secret to healthier, stronger hair might be sitting in your vegetable drawer? We often look for answers in expensive bottles and complex chemical formulas, but sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. What if I told you that a common onion could be a key player in your hair care routine? Let's be real. The journey to healthy hair can be frustrating. You might be dealing with hair thinning, slow growth, or just a lack of luster. So, what's the deal with onions? The answer lies in its unique chemical composition. Onions are incredibly rich in dietary sulfur, a crucial mineral and fundamental building block for proteins, especially keratin, the very protein that your hair is made of. By applying onion juice directly to the scalp, you're delivering this essential nutrient right where it's needed most. Onions also contain powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and reduce scalp inflammation, creating a healthier, less inflamed environment that's essential for sustained hair production. Now, let's talk about the other half of our dynamic duo, castor oil. If you've ever touched it, you know it's not like other oils. It's thick, viscous, and has a unique feel. This richness comes from ricinoleic acid, a rare omega-9 fatty acid that's a humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air into the hair shaft and scalp, preventing dryness and breakage. When you massage this thick oil into your scalp, it helps stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles. Increased blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to the hair roots. Creating this hair growth treatment is straightforward. You'll need 1 medium onion and high-quality castor oil, plus a blender, fine mesh sieve, and a bowl for mixing. Start by peeling the onion and chopping it into large chunks. Blend into a smooth pulp, adding just a tablespoon of water if needed. Strain through cheesecloth to get pure onion juice, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix equal parts onion juice and castor oil, whisking vigorously until combined. Apply directly to dry scalp, concentrating on the roots where the treatment does its most important work. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes, then let sit for at least 1 hour before washing out. Before applying to your entire scalp, always do a patch test. Apply a small amount behind your ear and wait 24 hours. If you experience any redness, itching, or swelling, your skin is too sensitive for this treatment. To help with onion's strong smell, add a few drops of pleasant essential oils like lavender or rosemary. When washing out, use quality shampoo, and you might need to shampoo twice to remove any residual odor. For most people, using this mask once a week is a great starting point. Consistency over time is more important than intensity. Be patient. Natural remedies work by improving scalp health over time. It can take several months to see visible changes. Embarking on this journey is a powerful act of self-care and a decision to invest in yourself. By understanding the science behind natural ingredients, you become an empowered participant in your own health. Celebrate the small victories: less shedding, a healthier scalp, increased shine, or newfound softness. These are all signs that your efforts are paying off and you're moving in the right direction. Your hair is a reflection of your internal wellness, and taking care of it is a beautiful way to honor your body. Be consistent, be patient, and be proud of the steps you're taking. Your commitment to this natural practice is a powerful step towards achieving healthy, beautiful hair.